Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties, and it's spring guys, it's finally warm, and yeah, so I'm sorry I have not been posting. Since it's warm, I have lacrosse, soccer, and school, but now I'm on spring break. So look forward to seeing a lot of videos posted. But for right now, if you're new here, thank you for joining me today, and let's get right into it. So first, we are making a Easter and spring appetizer, and you only need two simple ingredients, guys. You need organic broccoli from your local grocery store like Costco, ShopRite, Walmart, or Trader Joe's, and same thing with organic carrots. And we also have, to dip it in, we have some organic Tzatziki dip, and if you've never heard of that, it has lemons, it has garlic, it has yogurt, it has cucumber, and it has dill. And it is the best. It is so good. And then you also have your original organic hummus, just for the carrots there. Love them. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So first we are making the Easter appetizer, and you need to position your broccoli like the top of a carrot. And then you get your carrots, and you put 6, you put 5, you put 4, 5, and then we got 6. Then you put rows, and then it looks like carrots. It looks like a carrot. So we have 3. And then we do another 5. And yeah, it's spring, guys. And comment down below if you make this and what spring sports you play. And yeah, so 5, and then we have, here we go. It looks like a carrot already. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. And this is, you can make this is for kids, adults, and anybody. And there we go. It's finished, and look. It looks so cool. And now I am going to try it. I'm going to try 2. One of the Tzatziki dip. So good. Lemony. I can taste the dill, the yogurt. Tastes so good. Now I'm going to try one with the hummus. Always good to have a classic hummus. Comment down below if you make this and if you try it and if you like it. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And it's spring, guys. Let's get cooking. Bye.